Hello there, welcome to Nana's Classic Stitches channel. If you are new, welcome and thank you for clicking. I thank all my subscribers and returnees. Thank you so much. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this in the globe. Welcome to Nana's channel again. Now, last week I started you off with this skirt. It's all done. As I said, I was done halfway and I was going to walk you through it. But the method that I use, I've walked you through it several times. So it is all done. This is the lining, okay? My lining was a little bit bigger at the waist. So if you look at my waist, I have some pleat folded in besides the dart, okay? And it's okay to do that instead of cutting everything off. So this is the wrong side of it, and the zipper, I took it out and used this method, and as I said, I've walked you through this method before. Okay, so I'm gonna flip it to the right side. And my favorite fabric, I forgot to tell you that I have this rhinestones in there. Okay, so this is it. It's all done, hem, zipper, and this is how I finished the lining and the waist. As I said, I've walked you through this before, so it's not new. Okay, where am I? I want to show you the zipper on the outside. So this is it. This is all done. Okay, now next week I'm thinking of us starting another blouse, Simplicity 1941 Simplicity. This pattern, I believe, can be used for all year around, depending on which design you pick. And you can make some changes from it. Okay, as I said before, you can always modify the pattern. Some, majority of it you can. For example, the pleats at the center front, you can remove that and put it at the collar, make it smaller and put on the collar. You can also strengthen, also make this longer, make it a little bit looser, or if, for example, if you wear size 10 in the pattern, you can go to size 12 and make it a little bit looser. The shoulders might come off your regular shoulder, that's fine, just a little bit off shoulder blouse. And then you can make it extended to your knee, okay, to your knee, and wear it with tights. You can also put these ruffles at the edge of your sleeve, okay? Or you can make the same pleat at the bottom of the blouse when you make it looser and lengthen it to your knee. So many ways of changing it, okay? When it comes to pattern making, I just talked to you about basic, but there's more to it, okay? Pattern making basically is math, lines, spreading, pivoting, and so on and so forth. So you can look at a pattern and visualize what you can do to it beside the original one. Okay, so next week I'm gonna cut mine, and I'm gonna be doing how do you call it, this sleeve exactly like this, but I make mine a little bit looser. Okay, as I said, you can go to the next size, or you can add a quarter to the side seam, and then when you change that, you have to add a quarter to the sleeves seam allowance. Okay, so think outside the box and see what you can come up with. or you can even shorten this. This is, I think, is just on your hip line. Okay, so you can even shorten this. Okay, it's a beautiful blouse. So I'll be cutting mine next week, and then I'll start sewing. So this is a short and sweet video. So I'm all done. Thank you for watching. Happy sewing, and I'll see you next week. Thanks. Bye bye for now. See ya. Bye bye.